Today we'll look at two modes in file operation in Python. You when we want to perform file operation in Python, we specify the file, specify the mode. If it is R for read, W for write, A for append, X for append also, but X creates the file in the directory if it doesn't exist. But today we'll be looking at W plus and R plus. Before now, I think, many people also will be thinking that W plus or R plus works the same way as read and write, but in actual sense, they don't work the same way. Read and write. I'll show you this. So quickly, let me go to the script. This is the first script we're going to work on, which is to write then read. Then we have the file writing.txt, which is in the directory. Let me go to the file and open up the file for you. Okay, so this is writing.txt, and you find out that this is what we have in it. So I will delete this, I will save this, close it back. Then you see there is nothing in writing.txt. That is good and fine. I go back to the script. Okay, for the purpose of beginners, I would like to explain the script. The first line is the comment, while the second line creates a variable which is called file, and in that variable we specify the location of that is the file where it will read from. Okay, that's what we did. Okay, then also I'm trying to show line number. Just a moment, so that it can be easier for you and I. Okay, good. Also in line 3, we'll open the file which we use the open file and specify the mode as W plus, and we call it as F. So it will open the file and name it as the variable F. So we have F dot write, writing before reading. F dot read, print F dot read, which is to print what it has read. Remember, R W plus is not write and read. We'll see that. Okay, so let me run this script and let's see the outcome. I'll run this script, run it. Okay, good and fine. Let's check our Python shell if there's any output on the Python shell. There's no output. Good and fine for this script. So let's go back to our file and see. And see, this has been written. Now you can find out, you can understand that from the script, from this particular script, this Python script, we wrote this thing, but it could not read it out. It will not print anything out because it's not opening as read. It's opening as what? As write. That the mode is right. It cannot perform reading. Okay, let's go to the other text and let's see what we have. Okay, let's go to the other and the other script and see what we have. Okay, this is the other Python script, and it is the file is reading.txt. So let me take you to the file which is reading.txt, and this is what we have. So let me delete this. I'll save it, then I'll close it. This is reading.txt. Also, there's nothing in it. So I open it, reading.txt. You can see nothing. Okay, good and fine. Let me go run the script. I run the script. No, remember there is nothing in it. I don't need to explain this again because I've already done the explanation in the previous, what you call, the previous script. It's just similar, just the mode that I changed here. Okay, good. I run this and let's see what will be the outcome. Okay, run it, and you share, you find out it read nothing because there was nothing inside. It read nothing. But let's go to the file and let's see what if it has actually written anything. This is reading, so let's go to the file. You see, it wrote things, right? But the file was empty. Initially, the file was empty, so it did not print. And remember, we did not open as write. So even after writing this, it will not print because the mode is reading, not writing. I don't know if you understand this. I will next video, if you want me to explain more about the modes of file operation in Python, you let me know. And in the next video, I will make a comparison between running this script in Linux and running it in Windows. Then you see the difference. I will not tell you the operating system I used to run this script now, but just stay connected. Next video will be uploaded very soon. Thank you very much. Note that there is difference between R plus and W plus. R plus we write. They can perform reading, but you won't see it in action. R plus we read primarily. They can perform writing, but you will not see it in action. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Do well to share the video, and next video will be uploaded soon. Bye.